What's up guys, Steamy here, welcome back to Fable Anniversaries. There is a couple of guys that I have to kill because when you're in the missions it does it based off the checkpoints and I hadn't reached a checkpoint yet. So let's continue on and kill the guys that I haven't killed yet. There we go. Ow. Damn it. Gotcha. Oh, you're not dead yet. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh, resurrection vial. Awesome. I also have a crunchy chick now. That was something that dropped off a guy that I had to re-kill. I'm going to try my hardest not to eat that, but accidents happen. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a guy there. Okay. Oh well, they know I'm here now. Eat that fence, you know you want to. Ow. I need to get more willpower points. There we go. No, you'd not run away, you just... I thought he'd run away. Okay, sweet. Now let's not get stuck on logs. Thank you. Equip and continue. Because it has better armor than what I currently have on, even though it makes me scarier. Kaboom! And his head came off. Sweet, that couldn't have gone any better than it did. I think I'm getting a little better with the bow, at least. Okay, that may not have been a smart thing to do. Oh god, there's a guy there I'm gonna aggro to. Ow! Oops, I didn't realise my health was that low. Oh well, so I'm gonna be scarred. I already have a lovely scar on my face. You down? No. Dude. Accept the downs. Accept your fate. You were created for me to kill. Did he just go back to his post? Oops. Ah, damn. That was a mistake. Ow! Right then, where am I? Okay, so we got these guys. Up, up. He shot his mate. Yay! I did a boast. Oh. Yep. Resurrection vial. And a health potion. And what's the new? Wrong button. Sweet. Anything else in here? Yes, please. I'll take that. Ooh. You my final piece of clothing? Yes, you are. Right, we're a bandit now. With a scar on our face and probably more scars. What am I doing? There we go. Whoop. Yeah, I need to get more willpower stuff so I can level that up a bit easier. Ouch. Oh, sweet. Okay. So, what have you got for me? Tofu! Healthy alternative. Okay. Need to keep an eye on my health. One down. Missed. I ate a crunchy chick. Oh no. Chop you. Out. Two down. Three down. Now I just got you. Oh. Eat my flames. For a little while. Ow. I did it. Sweet. There's just one more guy left. Up here, I think, somewhere. What do you want?
What? Oh, you're not one of them, are you? My eyesight's not what it used to be. One was a gallant knight. His plate armor was so shiny. Probably what did my eyes in.
Oh, dude.
Then there was an evil mage. Wore the darkest magical robes you ever saw. The last was a rogue. A bandit. Bit like the chaps here.
So basically you want me to wear armor, a dark robe, like an evil wizarding robe, I'm guessing, and the bandit stuff I'm wearing.
Gallant knight,
Oh, maybe not. Okay, you just want Night stuff. I can do that. When I get the armor. Are you pretty easy? So what's in you then? Resurrection file. Vial. Does this count as checkpoint? Please do. I don't want to have to redo all that again for when I eventually end the episode. Wait. Hello?
Hello, mate. Nice bandit gear.
Oh, sweet!
This here is Twin Blades Camp.
Is it?
Once you're in for good.
Sweet.
So, feel free to get changed when you're inside. Most of the guys are asleep, so keep it down. Another one coming in, Joe. Open the gates.
Can I not sheathe my weapon at all? Guess not. You Joe? Hi, Joe. You seem nice. Better than the ones that keep trying to put a sword in my butt. Hello?
Hero.
Did you just call me hero? Do not break my cover. There we go. I couldn't remember the word for it.
If you're looking for someone with real teeth, you won't find none sharper.
Okay.
Suit yourself. You know where to find.
Also, I can hire like people to travel around with me. Sleepy dude, sleepy dude, sleepy dude.
Need someone to watch your back.
And you're traders.
Chicken shice. I'm pleased
Go on.
to serve you.
Dark. How much money have I got? I can't sell anything that I've got. I can sell my assassin's boots.
Yesterday, I saw Twin Blades. How may I help you today? Leader of the bandits. I think we can
What
do
do
a
you
special
sell?
offer for you.
Yes, please. Need new stuff. Oh. Do I have a axe? A sword? A shorter sword or a cleaver? Let's go with a normal sword. We'll buy that.
There are more bandits around these days. Can I help you? You won't be disappointed here. I think we can do a special offer for you, sir.
Let's sell that. I had a steel axe all along. Wait, what? When did I get that? Well, we'll sell that. And that's what I currently have. Please say you sell bows.
Pleased to serve you.
No. Okay.
Bandits are getting more and more.
Let's equip my new sword. That looks good.
How may I help you?
And sell my old sword.
I think we can do a special offer for you, sir.
Oh, I can't sell it.
There are more bandits around these days.
Yeah, you're currently in a bandit camp. Of course, there's going to be more bandits around, dumb butt.
Back. What can I do?
Okay.
I've heard you might be interested in procuring a camp pass. Well, I can get you one, but it... Excellent choice.
Sure. I need it.
Spot the addition?
But
Need someone to watch your back?
let's hope I get plenty from doing this quest.
You've got to have a pass to get in here.
I have a pass. Oh, wrong
Looks
button.
like a valid pass to me.
Let 'em through!
Yay! We can go in. Okay.
Dr. Roderick. He deals with the scruffy public.
Hey, screw you. Are you Roderick?
I notice you've been contemplating the gates into Twin Blade's quarters.
I have not been near them.
Perhaps we could cause a diversion to draw out the reserve guards. The gate would be open for you then. Of course, such a risky endeavor would require adequate remuneration. It's a very fair transaction in these
I'm good for now. Thanks.
You're speaking to the wrong assassin. Talk to Roderick.
Oh, so that one is Roderick. Roderick. Yes. I am the greatest chicken chaser who ever chased a chicken. Thank you very much. Loot. My loot? Give me loot. Oh, assassin's trousers. I'm gonna stay as a bandit, because...
Come to look at Twin Blade's entertainment. Ain't they just lovely? Gonna be a fun part.
What?
Help! Let us out of here!
Aww.
Now, ladies, looking forward to Twin Blade's entertainment.
The guard has the key. Get it off him.
But... Can I...
Help us!
I'm not sure how high my pickpocketing is, but I'll give it a shot.
You
Can I?
should be. You were it.
Can I even pickpocket?
All right, you've had your loot, and I've got the only key. Well, we're all looking forward to it anyway.
Can I? Oh, that's in a shop. I think. Right, first of all, I'm gonna save the last checkpoint, and then I'm gonna try and kill the guy. Hang on a minute. Actually, I'm gonna confer with someone. One sec.
Don't even think of trying to escape.
I'm not doing anything. Okay, so I'm going to continue on for a little bit, and then I'm going to basically see what happens and then come back and save them if I can. I think you're drunk, mate. Yeah, you are. Bloody deny it. Okay.
No one comes through here. The boss told me to look after this area. He's having a... And that includes not letting anyone through this door, apart from the hostages providing the entertainment. And that's what I'm gonna do. Got...
Well done. So I can pay the assassin. Or I can just try and outright murder this guy, which I'm going to do. Just sod it.
I've got the only key to your cage.
I can't even kill him.
Help us!
I wonder... Have I even finished the quest? No. I'm gonna have to spend the money I made. I think.
You ain't going anywhere, me beauties. There'd be a minor emergency if you two escaped.
Please help us.
Right. No.
Help us.
I'm gonna quick travel and see if I can pick up like a pickpocketing skill or something. Because I can fast travel to like here now. Where is it? Right at the beginning. Okay. Damn. I'm gonna have to kill the dude. Even though for some reason it wouldn't let me hit him. Sad face.
Everything well, hero?
Yeah, everything's fine. I don't need your help. Thank you. I'm gonna try and do it on my own.
You ain't going anywhere, me beauties.
I'm gonna wait till he comes back up here.
Please help us.
I'm going to try.
There'd be a minor emergency if you two escaped.
Help us.
I'm doing.
Please help us.
I'm working on it. Huh. And no one seems to be none the wiser. There you go. You're suddenly attractive to me.
So much.
Attracted to me, even.
I thought we were going to die, but we have to leave quickly before the guards notice.
Then run. Because I need them to notice after you've gone.
Twin Blades hostages have escaped! Grab them before they get away!
Run, girls! Run for your... I'm kind of guessing virginity, but it's a game. So, lives. Let's go with that.
Well done. The
It's a,
gate is
ga- it's a game where we have to be child-friendly, so... Well, relatively child-friendly. We've got to be the age that we are, so it's not virginity, it's lives.
I've been waiting for you.
You have?
Stand back, lads. Twin Blade wants a word with this little hero.
Yeah? Bring it. Don't hurt me. And I won't hurt you. Trying to be tough, but failing.
She said a guild puppet would come, and here you are.
You look more like a pirate.
Pirates have been dying to meet you.
Oh,
They
really?
haven't been fed for days. You don't look like much of a meal, though. Draw your blade, guild puppet. Let's see what
You
you're
sound
made
like a
of.
pirate too. Not gonna lie. I think you're a pirate. You're not a bandit, you're a pirate. Oh, well then. Hey look, I hit you! Uh-huh. Ow! No, I meant to run away. Okay. Hey, stay the hell... Oh, yeah! Whoop his booty! Oh, I got you down. I know what to do with you. Come on then. Come on then. Damn it! Round the back. There we go. In the booty hole. This might... Okay. Okay. This might take some time, guys. I'm sorry. Go around the back.
Let's see your stuffing.
Ow! Come on. Ow, he got me. Ow, okay. Yeah, man. Oh, he got me. Ah, what? Yeah, man. You see, when I got your attack pattern down, I know how to handle you. Uh-oh! Hello?
Finish it quick then. I'd do the same for you.
There you are. What's wrong? Don't you recognize your own sister?
Her past once again before her, Teresa's memories returned in a blaze of fire. Oakvale was burning. She watched in silence as the bandits tortured her mother, then turned to her with questions of the missing boy. She answered them only with a stare, and so their leader sliced out her eyes. The raiders took the boy's mother and left Teresa alone in the forest. There she crawled for 3 days, blind and desolate, until she was found by bandits, Twinblade and his men. She began a new life of servitude among their clan. But the bandit king sensed her exceptional strength and power of will, and listened as she whispered dark prophetic truths in her sleep. Those who could never accept this small, blind girl standing by their master's side did not last long. When they attacked, she killed them without mercy and without emotion. For this was her place in the world now.
Nah, it's because Teresa's badass.
I've seen so many things. So much killing. So much dying. I've seen you, little brother. In a ring of sand and blood. An arena full of secrets. And I've seen the choice you'll have to make one day. Between the darkness and the light.
Teresa!
I'm sorry, Twinblade. Your path is alone now. All our paths are. But before I leave, brother, I have a present for you. For all the birthdays I've missed. A power that runs in our family.
Yay, green glowy shit.
You when you're sleeping, and when the daylight fades.
What are you waiting for? Finish it, or leave me alone. I'm dead anyway. I'm no one's king anymore. Just don't kill me.
Can I kill the guys surrounding him? Can I talk to him? I want that loot. Do. Give me the loot. And then I'll be on my way. It would be nice if you do what the bandits do in the other games, where if you leave them be, they'll turn into good guys. Stealing all your loot. Give me all your loot, thank you. I can't get that one. That one's decoration. Can I? Ah! Ha! I'll kill these guys before I go, and then I'm just gonna leave the guy. Also, more points this way. They're gonna level stuff up. Also, these guys are all weaker than the ones that I've been fighting to get here. I'm going to spare you. I'm going to spare you. I killed all the ones that may possibly shank you. I am going to spare you. Have fun in your life. Ooh, more treasure. A diamond! That was well worth it. Right. I'm going to spare him. It unfortunately has gone past the time, but I don't know when the checkpoint was. So, I'm going to go through. And then fast travel to the guild. Oh, we did it! Yes! And I did the boast too. And guess what?
Renowned enough to use the scary laugh expression.
Ha 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 ha!
You have reached familiar status.
Sweet.
That was a very impressive victory, hero. Blaze has more news for you at the guild. I suggest you return here at once.
Okay. But that was
a new quest card. Check
that was
the guild for more quests.
okay. There was a very poorly timed celebration there, since I blew myself up. Alright. Can I save now? Yes. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this episode. We've defeated Twin Blade and found Teresa. And, yeah. Got ourselves a new outfit and a new sword. Now, I'll see you in the next one. Well, we'll go buy the house because I now have enough gold. Bye, guys.